Let's begin with leaflet writing. Old format, you will see that. So how to write down the particularly new format of leaflet writings. Leaflet means the one kind of the particularly writing about something, give the information about that place, and that has to be advertised. Leaflet has to be expressively, you have to be describe the things just like advertising. Leaflet writing is a skill. In short, you have to be arrange the proper words as the requirements, and that leaflet has to be very attractive while someone has to be looked at. लिफलेट एक असा प्रकार आहे प्रकारचे पत्रक आहे ज्या ठिकाणी एका ठिकाणची माहिती दिलेली असते आणि ती जाहिरातसुद्धा असू शकते. लिफलेट एक वर्णनात्मक स्वरूपात, आव्हान स्वरूपात, एखाद्या जाहिरातीच्या स्वरूपात असते. लिफलेट रायटिंग हे एका प्रकारचे कौशल्य असून मोजक्या प्रभावी शब्दात त्याची मांडणी करताना लिफलेट या प्रकारात एखाद्या विषयावर आकर्षक पत्र तयार करा असा प्रश्न विचारला जातो. First, how to solve that question about leaflet writing. First of all, write down the subject. With the help of the guideline, points are given to you. In foresight, the border you have to be given, and in center the names has to be right in border way. Slogans are written in that leaflet, but that slogan is particularly correlated with your subject. Guidelines you have to be there writing in that leaflet. Images, drawing in there, the time, name, date, address, that has to be required as necessity. तर सर्वप्रथम दिलेल्या विषयाचा सब्जेक्ट आणि त्याखाली गाईडलाईन काळजीपूर्वक वाचन करावे. बॉर्डर चौबाजूने कागदाला ठळक अक्षरात मांडता आणि सेंटरला ठळक अक्षरे मध्यभागी लिहावेत. विषयाशी निगडित आकर्षक घोषणा, स्लोगन्स मर्यादित आणि प्रभावी वापर करावा. प्रश्नात दिलेल्या सर्व मार्गदर्शन मुद्द्यांचा गाईडलाईन समावेश उत्तरात करावा. संबंधित विषयी सोपी प्रतिमा, चित्र, इमेजेस काढले तरी चालतील. संपर्क, संस्थेचे नाव, पत्ता, दिनांक, वेळ, मजकूर आवश्यकतेनुसार लिहावा. So the leaflet has carry 4 marks, presentations and content 2 marks, convincing language 1 marks, inspiring and motivational message has the 1 marks. So now let us begin to solve the one question related to the leaflet. Now question. Prepare an attractive leaflet for a coaching center, drawing the attention. So drawing an attractive leaflet for the coaching center, drawing the attention of the student to join IIT NEET coaching classes. Take the help of following points. Name of the coaching center with address, special feature of the coaching center, date of registration, add your own point. So these points keep in your mind while writing the leaflet. लिफलेट लिहित असताना आपल्याला या सगळ्या पॉईंट्सचं लक्ष देणं गरजेचं आहे. पण त्याआधी प्रिपेअर द अट्रॅक्टिव्ह लिफलेट फॉर coaching center, drawing attention of the student to join IIT NEET coaching class. नीट आणि IIT साठी विद्यार्थ्यांनी जास्तीत जास्त त्या सेंटरला अटेन्शन म्हणजे त्या सेंटरला जॉईन व्हावं याच्यासाठी आपल्याला एक लिफलेट बनवायचं आहे. टेक द हेल्प ऑफ पॉईंट, नेम ऑफ कोचिंग सेंटर विथ ॲड्रेस, नेम द फीचर ऑफ कोचिंग सेंटर, स्पेशल फीचर कोचिंग सेंटरचे, डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन्स, ॲड युअर ओन पॉईंट दॅट मस्ट बी रिक्वायर्ड while writing the coaching center. So now while you answer the question, that time you make a broad box and write down excellent result, sure success, brilliance coaching centers. Just we are starting from here means appropriately come up to that point. So write down that brilliance coaching center. That's kind of you give the big headline there. So address is there, 16th B Model Colony, Pune. Announces commencement of fresh batch IIT and NEET preparation. Registrations begins May 15, 2020. Enroll early. So that's way you can write down the particular advertisement here. So make the box here, special features. So special features, specialty faculty, personal attention, periodic test and exam, excellence, learn study material, library and reading room, reasonable fees. So that's the special features you can add it. Specialty faculty, personal attention, periodic test and exam, excellent study material, library and reading room, reasonable fees. That thing you should be mentioned in special features. So here write down our 10 students top paid IIT NEET in 2019. That mentioned here about the advertisement limited seats, hurry up. So that's the way you can write down contact to Miss Nalini Rao, mobile number 9423523710. So here we completed the writing of appeal, or leaflet writing. The question: prepare an attractive leaflet for the coaching center, drawing in the center for students to join IIT NEET coaching classes. Take the help of following points: name of the coaching center with address, special features of the coaching center, date and registration. Add your own point. So while to answer the question, make the particular box excellent result and sure success. So this way you can make the box while writing the leaflet excellent results and sure success. Make the big headline: Brilliance Coaching Class Centers, address Section B, Model Colony, Pune, announces commencement of fresh batches, IIT and NEET preparation. Registration begins May 15, 2020. Enroll early. That is the particular to given the main point. Special features: faculty attention to the personal attention, periodic test exams, excellent study material, library, reading room, reasonable fees, and the back their history. Our 10 students topped IIT NEET in 2019, limited seat, hurry up, contact numbers, and given. That's why you can write down the particularly about the leaflet writing. So you have to be practice of that more and more. You will be understand very well of writing leaflets. So prepare a leaflet on blood donation with the help of following points: save lives of many. Only human can donate at your own point. No effect on donors' health and gestures. That goes a long way. Answer. So here is a particular logo: give blood, give life. Join the blood donation camp. Give the blood to save the life. The headline also given: blood is the best gift, bestow it. Life is precise, save it. There only live who donate the blood to other to live. They only live the who donate the other to live. Every day hundreds of people need blood to survive. They need it. Donate blood, donate life. The headline. Come forward, join our campaign. Call all the participate. Remember, blood donate causes no harm. Blood donations the life donations. Date 25th May 2020. Camp timing 9th am to 5 pm. Venue Jeevan Blood Bank, Nayantra Tara Road, Nagpur. Nayanthara Road, Nagpur. So that's the way you can make the particular blood donation campaign. So you will be completed the one of them. This you will completed by your own. Prepare the attractive tourist leaflet and tourist department, Government of Maharashtra. Develop the adventure sport eco-tourism activity in the state. Take the help of following points: benefits of the adventure sport, name of the adventure sport, availability of the tourist guides and instructors, add your own point. That question you will be solved just like we have to be discuss earlier one, not the old format. Writing that old format नुसार लिहायचं नाही. So another one, prepare the attractive leaflet on for your college on Anand festival to raise fund for the victims of earthquake. Take the help of following points: date and time of the festival, snack stall, add your own point, activity and gymnastic and merry-go-rounds, and quiz competition. That's the particularly you have to write the well format we have to be studied earlier one. That's why you can write down particular leaflet. So remaining part of this video, or if any queries you have,